Hi everyone, Mr. Milson here. I'm looking at a example video because I kind of want to show you guys how to make a scatter plot using Desmos.com. So I went to usnews.com. If we go here to education, I'm just going to show you kind of how I came up with my project idea. And I wanted to look at colleges and the national universities. So this is kind of talking about the rankings of different schools. So I went into here, and this will tell you kind of the top universities and colleges in the US. And I thought it would be interesting to look at undergraduate teaching. So what undergraduate teaching is so undergrad means when you go to college for the first 4 years, and then teaching degrees are for people who want to become teachers. So I clicked on that, and it gave me the top universities for people who want to study education in the US. So what I did is I looked at these top universities here. I used this list, and I came up with this table. I'll try and show it to you here. So that's the table that I made right here. And once I had that table, and I used kind of the numbers on the side here, so tuition and enrollment. So tuition, that's my X, and enrollment was my Y. So what I did was once I had that table, I went to Desmos.com and I inputted these numbers as ordered pairs. So the first one was Princeton that had a tuition of 51,870 and an enrollment of 5,428. Enrollment, guys, if you don't know, is the number of people who go to that school. And what I do is I put in all of my ordered pairs like this, and I separated them with commas. And when I separate them with commas, this is kind of what my graph looks like. So based just on the scatter plot, I can see that my data is kind of decreasing, right? If I drew a line going through this, we'd be going downwards. So as my tuition is increasing, my enrollment is decreasing. And that kind of makes sense, right? Because you want to pay to go to a school with less people in it, so you get kind of more individualized attention. And what I did is after I did that, I put all of that data also into my calculator, and I found the line of best fit. And here's the equation that I got for the line of best fit. And if I click this, then it's going to turn on the line. And here we go. So there's the line. And what you can do here is you can just take a screenshot of this and use it for your presentation. You want to have one of just your scatter plot, so like this, and then one with your line of best fit. And there's a few ways to do that. You could actually screenshot the whole thing, or if you use this tool up here in the corner, it'll show you, it'll show you kind of the window for your x-axis and the window for your y-axis. And I even labeled these. So I put this first one as tuition, that's my x-axis, and my y-axis as enrollment. You could put them whatever you need to for your project. And I think that's just a nice extra touch in order to make it look good. And what I have, and I'm going to share with you on Google Classroom, is an example of this project completely done out. So you guys have an idea of what it is that you need to complete. Let me see which one it is here. One of these is the project that I was working on this morning based on this idea of top universities and undergraduate education. Let's see if this is going to load. Come on now. Once you guys have your scatter plots, make sure you get that into your presentation. Use this presentation, these slides, to kind of help you organize your thoughts and data. If you guys have all the things that I have in mind, then you're going to have everything you need to get a good score on this. The only other thing that you're going to have to do is think of some questions based on this data in order to do some interpolation and extrapolation questions. So here's the beginning of the project, guys. So go ahead and look for that project, and that's what you guys want to kind of follow in order to get an idea of what you should have in your project. All right, that's it for today.